Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Bianca Naka. I have a new hair review that I am going to be bringing to you guys today. So the hair that we're featuring today is going to be Beauty Forever, and this is going to be a 20-inch, and it's just a straight wig. This is how the box looks, and don't mind the box. I opened it. You know, we just have no patience. The hair comes in a plastic bag like this. And please don't mind me, I'm getting used to filming with an actual camera. I'm so used to using my phone where I can see myself. I am using my monitor, and I also have a video that I did regarding the Canon. It's a beginner-friendly camera, so if you're a new YouTuber and you want to, you know, get into a camera instead of using your phone, I have the link listed below on how you can look into those details. This is how the hair looks. And it is so beautiful, and what I love about it is it's very thick. It's very thick. Only thing about this is it's not a full lace wig. So as you can see, it's a 6x4. So we have the 6-inch parting space, and then we have the 4-inch lace in the front. It's not going to give you the edges that you need or the edges that you want, so if that's what you're looking for, then this may not be the wig for you. But there's nothing wrong with, you know, having wigs like this in your collection, because it's just like less maintenance. You know, you don't have to deal with doing too much to the wig. So that's what I love about these wigs. The 1B, so it's a natural color, it's 20 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on my head. I'm gonna show you guys how I go ahead and install this wig. I'm gonna show you guys what I use to tint my lace. So I use the Ebin New York tinted lace. I use dark tone, but they do have different tones available. They have light brown, and then they also have like a tan color. You can get that at your nearest beauty supply hair store if you're interested in that. Any type of tint lace works great on the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I usually spray it from afar. You just want to cover up the lace. And you can use tint, or you can even use your foundation that matches your skin color. I think we're at the point where we all know how to tint our wigs. Now, as you can see, we got the wig on. What I use to cut my lace is either a pair of scissors, or you can use a tool like this, which is a razor. You can use this to cut your lace. You honestly could use scissors because you're not dealing with much lace, so I would recommend using scissors. I just can't find mine, so I'm going to go ahead and use the razor. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Don't mind me if I'm looking into the mirror, because I cannot clearly see through the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And sometimes it's actually good to use a razor, because it makes the edges raggedy, like really rigid, so it doesn't look too sharp when compared to using scissors. It gives it that rough edge. And of course, while you're doing this, you just want to have your glue ready. So see, that wasn't much lace that we were dealing with. It really wasn't much lace that we had to cut off. Alright, right now the hair is not straightened because of course it has some curls from being in the box, but we're going to go ahead and straighten her boned straight. Okay, I want her bone straight. So let's just get to that. And honestly, you don't need to glue this wig down. I'm not going to glue it down because I'm not going anywhere, but if you want to, you definitely can. I may play with it after I'm done, but we'll see. But let's see how this hair straightens, because like I said, I want to get this hair bone straight. Let's see how it straightens. Back up so you guys can see. Alright, so she actually straightens pretty good. I'm using the temperature 380, so you know, straighteners can go up to 420. So that's a good thing. You don't want to have the heat on too high. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this whole thing, and we're gonna get back to the video. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, it's fully straightened, and this hair is pretty long for a 20-inch, so it also is very affordable. So we're gonna see how this hair holds up. I'm gonna give you guys a follow-up review on this hair once I give it a week or two, and I'll be back with a follow-up. But so far this hair looks beautiful. It straightens very easily. I've only had to do literally one pass for each strand, and I only had to do one pass for each piece that I straightened, so that's a good thing. You won't be here straightening your hair forever, because I definitely straightened this hair probably took me about 3 minutes to straighten this hair. So that's a good thing, okay? Right now, you see how long it is, and like I said, this is definitely easy maintenance. So if you're one of those ladies that do not want to deal with a full frontal, you can always do this, which it mimics a closure. So you can definitely go this route, and it's much cheaper. So if you are interested in this hair, the information is going to be in the description below, so go ahead and click that. Once again, my name is Bianca Naka, and I'm tuning out.